Let's do a little demonstration of the fluid film setup here. I just pumped up my air compressor and just shut it off so I can do a little demonstration. If you want good ventilation, you can do this outside, wear a respirator of some sort, fill up your tank. It's a pretty simple lock system, and then just let it fly. That's pretty much it. It lays it on nice and thick. You can of course control the air pressure and everything. It might be coming on a little hot, but it looks pretty nice. Has good even spread, and that's all in oil, so it'll solidify. Well, it'll kind of won't really solidify, but it will firm up a little bit.